Verifying your AliExpress account is an important step to enhance security and ensure a smooth shopping experience. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and log in using your registered email and password. Ensure you have access to the email linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find the verification section. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Account Verification or Identity Verification. Click on it to start the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information, which may include your full name, address, and identification documents such as a government-issued ID or passport. Make sure all information is accurate and up to date. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After filling in the required information, submit your verification request. You will receive a confirmation email once your account has been verified, which may take a few hours to a couple of days. Completing these steps will help ensure that your AliExpress account is secure and fully functional. Happy shopping!